today we're going to be rocking with a wig from Ms. Bai. It came in this beautiful box, free lashes, and here is the wig. So they sent over a beautiful 360 lace wig. This is what the wig looks like. You have one comb and adjustable straps in the back, 3 combs in the front. There is baby hair. So I'm going to put the wig on a mannequin head. I've already added an elastic band. This is just going to help the frontal to lay flat, and it's going to secure it so that it doesn't just fall off your head or can't be pulled off easily. So when you brush it out, there were no kinks or tangles. I just wanted to play with the hair for a little bit and see what the texture was. So I added my wet. I have this link down below. This is from Sally's, and it's actually called wet. I know a lot of you guys are confused by that. And I just added a little bit. And then I added my BioSilk serum on top of it. I love this serum lately. And then after that, I wet it down. I know usually people will wet the hair down first, but I wanted to add the water to kind of move the product throughout the hair. And I'm going to just brush it in. And you can see how gorgeous the texture of this hair is naturally. This wig is 22 inches long. And I believe I got her in a color too. What's really amazing about this wig is 13 by 6 in the front. Usually your wigs are 13 by 4, so you get an extra 2 inches going backwards in your parting space. So you're going to have an amazing parting space. You can do top knot buns, curve parting, whatever you choose. This wig is also 150% density, which I believe works perfect. Not too much hair, not too little. The texture of this hair is body wave. So what I'm doing here is I'm going out and tweezing the hairline just a little bit. Now what I did not do is I did not wet the hairline down. I find that this process is so much easier when the area is wet. So you guys can see off camera I kind of wetted it just a little bit. But whenever you're tweezing your hairline, if you kind of spray it down with a little bit of water, it helps a lot. You don't have to like submerge it in water, but just add a little bit using your spray bottle, and it helps the hair to come out of the lace effortlessly. So after that, I went ahead and put the wig on. This was much later. So I used my nose as a guide to have the perfect center part, and you can see how excited I was because this is 6 inches of parting going backwards, and you guys know how much I love that. So since I didn't wet the crown down earlier, I'm going in with my spray bottle, and I'm going to just wet it down. Now I shifted the wig to the side because I wanted that full 6 inches on the side. Now I pulled the hair back, and I'm just going to go ahead and make a little bit of baby hair, not too much. I'm going to take my black Got To Be Glued, I believe it's called Got To Be Glued Ultra or Ultra Glued, and I'm just going to do my normal routine and go ahead and use my baby hair brush and swoop it around. Feel free to do your baby hair exactly how you like it. I felt like it was a little bit too long right there. I didn't really want the super flamboyant baby hair this time around. I just wanted it to kind of curve around that parting. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the sideburns. I kind of just pull the excess hair out instead of tweezing. Sometimes I'm a little bit lazy, and this is just a great way to quickly make it thinner or thin out the area. Tweeze it down, moisturize it a little bit so it blends with the rest of the hair. Done. Now the thing about body wave hair and any kind of wavy texture hair is that you must moisturize the hair. When you hit the elements outside of your house, you will find that if it's misty outside, if it's rainy outside, if it's hot outside, humid outside, all those elements will affect how the hair will work for the rest of the day. So make sure you're covered before you leave the house because you never know. Now I'm going to just take an elastic band and secure a nice low ponytail. I love a good sleek ponytail for every day. It's simple, it's easy, you look, done and made up. And you don't have to worry about hair in your face or having to rebrush your hair throughout the day. I'm going to add a little bit more of that wet. I did use a lot of product, but I'm not going to have to put any product for another day or two. In the morning, I'll just re-slick it with a little bit of water and I'll be good to go. So parting, I did not bleach the knots on this wig, so I'm going to just take my new favorite powder from a Morphe palette. I'll have it linked down below, and it blends perfectly with my skin. So I just touched up my makeup a little bit, and this is what it looks like from the back. Really nice, beautiful texture hair. This wig lays super flat. Again, it is 150% density. You can take your scarf and go ahead and wrap your hair, even if you're not going to sleep, to make it lay even more flat. I'm going to pretend I did that just to show you guys, but I took it right off, and this is what the hair looks like down. Isn't the texture of this hair super beautiful? I'm in love. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This wig did come courtesy of Miss Buy. I have it linked down below. Make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you comment and share this video with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.